friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about statistics in SQL Server. In last 4 videos, I have talked about very great detail all the different options, how to understand statistics, how we need to find the header information and histogram density. All the detail we have spoken in very great detail. So please try to watch my previous videos if you did not watch so far. Okay, let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, I have prepared a script for today's demo purpose. Let's try to understand one by one. So already I explained in this procedure gives all the stats detail information for this table. Okay, let's try to execute it. So we got nothing. It means that there are no statistics available for this table. Now I'm trying to execute this table. So we got around 1 lakh plus records for this table. Transaction ID, product ID, and other different columns are there. Now I'm trying to create a one clustered index for the transaction ID column. Let's try to create it. So command completed successfully. Now try to execute one more time. Now we can see that here schema name, table name, and object ID, statistics name, because just now we have created one in the clustered index. So same name it has been there, and on which column we have created, on transaction ID column we have created. So what is the total row and the sample row count, number of steps, unfiltered rows, all the information we got it. Okay, now this time I'm trying to create a custom statistics. Means that I'm trying to create one statistics. Create statistics name, on which table I'm trying to create an TBL trans history, on which product ID. But this time I'm trying to use a filtered in statistics. I'm trying to use where product ID greater than 900. So I want to filter the records while creating the statistic itself. Okay, let's try to execute it. Command complete successfully. Now go to this procedure and try to execute. Now you can see that just now we have created one filtered statistics, right? On which column I have created a product ID column. This is the name of the statistics. On what condition we have created, so where product ID is greater than 900, so we can see the condition also, whether it is showing filter existed not. Yes, it is one, means it is exist. Whether it is user created, yes, I have created just now. So, and also what is the last update timestamp. You can see the total rows and the sample row count. Now we'll try to verify the table based on the condition where product ID greater than 900. We'll see how many records we'll get. Try to execute this one. We got around 39,000 plus records. Okay, we'll try to verify the same thing. So we got it right, 39,000, same thing, right? So same thing. Now you can see the filtered condition, right? So this is way it will create. Now we'll try to verify the same thing by taking the all the information like density and histogram as well as header information. I'm copying the statistics name, paste it here, and try to execute it. Now I will try to expand a little bit so that we can see very clearly. So if you notice here, we can see the header and the density and histogram, right? So this is the name of the statistics and updated when it has been updated. And rows, it's not giving the total rows. This is the count, but this is the rows because we have created a filtered statistics. We are filtering the data based on some condition. That's why this is the row count, sample row count, sample rows, and how many steps. These are the steps, right? 98 98, right? So is it a string index? No. And we can see even range high key also it is creating greater than 900 only, because while creating statistics itself we have mentioned that greater than product id should be greater than 900. That is the reason it's creating the range high key also above 900 only. Okay, so this way we can create the filtered statistics. This is the way we can get the filter statistics, and also we can clearly visible what kind of condition it is, whether it is user filter exist or user created, everything we can see. Even we can see the rows count also, right? Now, so in case if you want to update statistics, how to update the statistics, there are different ways we can do that. So one is update statistics entire table. So one is a table level or like individual statistics level also. Like this time I'm trying to create whatever the index I have created, I'm using that index name. Okay, cls underscore transaction id. I will try to show one more time. So for this I'm trying to update the statistics individually, or if you want to update entire table level, we can go for this also. Okay, update statistics table name. Okay, and also, and there is another option like with full scan. If you want to update entire table with full scan, with full scan, so we can keep this option. Okay, I'll try to update this one first. So command complete successfully. And if you want to update entire table, you can just click on execute. Command also complete successfully. And if you want to update only 100 rows, if you want to specify 100 rows or 500 rows, we can specify with the sample under how many rows you want to update, just keep with the sample and how many rows we can specify and try to execute it. Click on execute, it will update successfully. Instead of specifying 100 rows, if you want to go for the percentage, I want to update 20%, 30%, 50%, we can specify the percentage number. We can with the sample 20% or 30 and specify the percentage and try to execute. So command complete successfully. So far we have updated the statistics for the entire table level. Instead of that, if you want to go for the individual statistics, then you can, this is the option, update statistics, what is the table, and specify the statistics name with the full scan or with the percentage. You can specify even 100 rows also. Okay, so I'm trying to execute this one. Update statistics name, sorry, table name of the statistics with full scan. Okay, try to click on execute. Command complete successfully. Even instead of doing entire full scan, if you want to go for the percentage of rows, like if whether you want to update 20% or 30%, we can go for that also. So same thing like a table name and statistics name with sample 20%. Try to click on execute. So command complete successfully. So in this video we have discussed how to create a filtered statistics, how to visible all the filtered statistics information, very great detail, so that it will be easy to understand. And also we have seen different update ways like entire table or individual statistics level also we can do that by specifying different options. So whether you want to go for the full scan or sample 100 rows or sample percentage like 20%, 30%, we can go for up to it's our requirement. So I hope you like this video. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, so please try to send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please try to watch my previous videos. Thank you. Stay tuned for other videos.